Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I got a little bit of a different video than usual. It's an unboxing and a review. I have received this product from banggood.com, so let's not wait anymore and get this party started and open this thing. So what do we have here? A very nice looking box to say the least. It's got Bluetooth version 5.0, the transmission range mentioned is 10 meters, the battery life of the buds itself around 3 hours, and the case gives an extra 3 charges. Now let's see what do we get inside the box. The plastic peeling is always my favorite part. Shimmy 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 and drop. Oh hey look, this face is cool though. Now I'm sad, now I'm happy. Now I'm sad, now I'm happy again. I'm excited for the paper, but let's put it aside. Let's see what else we get inside the box. So first up we have some extra ear tips for different ear sizes and a charging cable, USB to micro USB. Now to the real good stuff, the earphones themselves. Company branding, some legal stuff. Around the back we have the charging connection. You will have to use your own brick though. It's quite light in weight also, so it fits your pocket perfectly. It was very tight, a bit too tight, so watch me struggle to open this thing. For the first time ever, I have to read the manual to look for how to open a damn earbuds case. Like, I feel like a fool here. Finally got them to open. I feel like I conquered Rome. I'm the king now, but I'm not. The buds themselves feels nice and the weight isn't too heavy, so your ears won't hurt. Oh hey, they light up. I forgot that. The light is red and blue, that's cool. Is that a button or something? Nope, it's not. But the light does show the remaining battery percentage of the case itself. Now we are done with the unboxing process, so let's get the review started. The next step is pairing up with a smartphone, so for that you will need to take them out of the case and then from your device go to pair a new device, and then you should find it over here. Tap on it and allow if it asks for any permissions, and then you should be ready to go. So first things first, the audio quality. That's the most important thing to consider when buying anything related to earphones or earbuds. So I'm happy to say that they are really good. I don't really know much about audio quality. I don't know like what are the highs, what are the lows. I'm a simple dude. I know two things. The audio is crispy clear and the bass is also very good. And the buds are comfortable to wear for a long time. For comparison, I have one more set of Bluetooth earphones to compare it with. Do you remember the first gen OnePlus wireless? As per the price, OnePlus is more expensive, the buds are a bit cheaper. So if the overall audio quality is considered, the OnePlus is okay-ish, I guess. There's almost no bass in them. The Blitswolf is surprisingly better. If I would have to pick one, I will pick these. And the microphone of these is also very good. The receiver said that the audio was very good and they were able to hear me just fine. We have the buttons on both of them, and these are actual buttons, not the trackpads. A single click on any of the buttons will play or pause the music. Double click on the right bud will go to the next track, and double click on the left bud will go to the previous track. In my personal usage, the buds were comfortable to wear, they didn't fall off while running or skipping ropes. Bluetooth is always a big selling point, so let's talk about that. The connection loss starts when you go around 10 meters away or if there is a huge concrete structure in between, but that's fairly common for any Bluetooth device. The latency is good for listening to music and watching videos, but if you're playing a game like PUBG, you will start to notice the audio latency while firing bullets. That's something to keep in mind. The charging time, like mentioned, is around 3 hours and it gives you 8 hours of case plus 3 hours of buds life. The case is magnetic and the charging starts immediately when the buds are placed in it. The best part of this case is that it's a little bit see-through, so you can still see the red charging light indicator when the case is still closed. So you don't have to open the case to see that is it charging, is it not. You can always see that on the top of the case, which is actually really helpful. And this light I mentioned earlier, it indicates the battery percentage of the case. If it blinks 4 times, then the battery is between 75 to 100%. If it blinks thrice, then it's between 50 to 75%. Blink twice means 25 to 60%, and if it blinks once, then it's less than 25%, and you should charge it by now. And hey, just a FYI, completely off the topic. The case did got loose and easy to open for me. Now I don't have to fight Columbus to open this thing and start listening to music, because the first time was really tough. This pretty much sums up the unboxing review of this Blitswolf earphones. I will leave a link to these earbuds in the description of this video so you can check them out and buy them if you like it. And when you are there, also feel free to hit the like button. You should absolutely check these buds from Banggood's website, and like I said, the link is present in the description down below. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more of these unboxing videos and other cool stuff that we do here. As always guys, it was great having you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys tomorrow.